Hey everyone, this is Orlando Streets, and today I'm at the Altamonte Mall, which is located about 20 minutes drive from downtown Orlando, Florida. I was here several months ago, and at that time the mall was under construction. The tile floor had been removed, and they were working on the foundation. Since then, the tile has been repaired, and I wanted to show that to you. I also wanted to verify that the Sears location had indeed closed. Here's a Christmas tree in the central atrium, the center of the mall, and I think it looks really nice. It's the end of November and Christmas is around the corner. I'm here in the middle of the week, just shortly after the mall opens. I took notice of this furniture. I see it throughout the mall. It looks new to me, I'm not sure. They removed Sears from their map, and you can see that little gray bar at the bottom of the map there. That's where Sears used to be. See that wall just beyond the play area? That's where the Sears used to be. Here it is again from the second floor. So now we know for sure the Sears is in fact closed at this mall. This is another look at the Christmas tree looking up towards the ceiling. I thought this display looked nice. And here's the Build-A-Bear. And finally some more of that furniture that you see throughout the mall. Looks really nice, I think. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.